小朋友齐上。
I would like to tell you the story about the lion and the mouse. One day, a little mouse pumped into the nose of the sleeping lion and woke him up. The lion gave a roar and caught the little mouse in his lion's paws. Please, please don't kill me, begged the mouse. One day I'll be able to help you. The lion laughed at the mouse. Ha 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 ha, but he let her go. A few days later, the lion was out hunting for food when he was caught in the hunter's net. The lion roared loudly because he could not escape. The mouse heard the lion roar and quickly came to see what had happened. He saw the trapped lion and started using her sharp teeth to bite